Hi everyone, it's Damien for another video. So yeah, I'm just trying to still figuring out how to do at least how to put the right method into that test. So I'm going to try out something. I don't even know if I tried it already. But yeah, I'm going to try that out and see what's going to happen, and hopefully it will work. So I think, yeah, I had that. If you look at this line right here where I am, line 37, you can see that I put everything into the params. And I was like, but why did I do that? And I'm not sure, I haven't looked up into actually, I'm going to look right now. Because I think uh, I don't know where it was actually. Maybe there. Yeah, let's look at that. I'm not sure actually because I tried so many things that I don't know. Let's see. I think I tried it already. I'm not sure. So, oh, so I think I tried that already because I put on line 37. I put the profile relationship um, into the params, which is not really, I think, what I should do, as it's written over here. Sorry for the noise, guys. I'm home, but the door is open and there is quite a lot of traffic outside. Um, so yeah, I'm just going to try that out, and hopefully that will work. I'm not sure at all about what is going to happen, but until you try, you will never know, right? Okay, so I have that. I have that. I have the blah blah. Oh. Okay, what did I do into that bank account? Maybe this is not really. The visible thing and the hidden thing. Let's keep it that way. But valid attributes. All right. So, all right. Let's try it like that. I think I'm good. Hopefully, there is no, error, no typing errors. All right. Let's see, because it's really, really annoying. I don't understand why it doesn't go into that method and print the puts that I put here. Yeah, but let's see what's going to happen with the new sort of version of it. Yeah, I have that. Not sure at all, but have to try. And I think, let's see what is written here. Profile offer relationship. How come you don't know it? I don't know if it's a Rails, the recent sort of application. Let's look at a more recent one. It's been a year, but let's look at a more recent one that I did before. So if you look at this and I go into the spec, go into controllers, I go there. Yeah, that's totally okay. So I have this, and that's actually right. I put the shift into the params. So my thing was actually good. It just that it doesn't work. I don't know why, man. So this version was actually not perfect, but like, let's say if you want to pass params something, because I'm going to, my god. For example, let's look at puts, blah blah blah. I have the ID. Okay. Alright, 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 alright. Maybe I should params ID shift blah blah blah. Okay. So let's get rid of, you know, this line over here, and let's work on that, trying to see what's going to happen here, because I really, I mean, I really don't understand honestly what's going on. I have the offer ID, I have the profile. I want to probably, or maybe this is what I want. This is maybe, I mean, I don't know. You have the ID, blah blah blah. Okay, so maybe I have to pass again, which I mean, I'm not sure, but I thought I have done it. But maybe what I have to do is to pass, because this is what you will be looking for, the offer ID, right? So maybe this is what I have to pass here again. Maybe it would work. I don't know, but I have to try to know. At least I'm sort of eliminating what doesn't work. Like I'm removing what doesn't work. I'm getting out. I'm getting the things the things that do not work away. Okay, so now what's gonna happen? What's You have the blah blah, but I put something into it. Oh my god. And for this, everything is fine. Like I don't really understand, man. Let's. Oops. Maybe I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I'm sort of tired of that. Not tired, but like I want to make it work and it doesn't, and you know. Oops. Oops. What have I done? Okay, so here we go. I have that. Nope. Oh, profile relationship offer, blah blah blah. Okay. Will it work? Maybe. The thing is, it shouldn't be working because the method is actually commented. So It shouldn't be working. Yeah, as I was expecting. My God. I really don't know what to do with that. I really don't. And something that I did before. I mean, I did it. I did the whole feature, but without, testing it. And now I'm testing it without, let's say, finishing the feature. And that is really annoying. Like, really, really annoying. Shift. Maybe another project, or maybe that. Okay, as a test, I have those, I have that. Maybe I should put it before. Maybe I should just, yeah, I don't know. I'm not convinced about that. But, let's try. Offer ID, blah, blah, blah. Oops. I mean, obviously there is something wrong, but what is wrong is what I don't know. It's a create method. This is a create method. I'm on the profile offer relationship controller, and I'm on the profile offer relationships controller, right? The user is actually connected. Post create, and if you look at the route, I mean, I think I'm doing good. I mean, I'm doing the right thing. I'm trying to hit the right, method, but apparently not. So, where is it? Profile relationship create, and it's a post. So I really, really, really don't understand what's going on with that. Maybe I should try that. And that should be very, like, basic. But I really don't know what I'm doing right here. I mean, I don't know what is wrong with it. And controllers, I mean, I tried it so many times. You know, have the create, blah blah blah. If you look at the controller level, I don't really remember what it was, but let's, you have the create thing, before action, blah blah blah. So just, I mean, it's very very simple. Like, the only thing is that this is what I don't have, and maybe this is what I should have, but I'm not really sure. Maybe it's actually mandatory to have it, maybe, but I'm not sure at all. So I wanted to try something else. So I'm pretty sure that code is actually right, I think. But I mean, I don't know, man. Honestly, I don't know. I have faith in it, but yeah, I wanted to try that. I'm not sure it's going to work either, but I'm tired. I'm not going to stay late tonight. I'm still on my 21's challenge. Went to the gym this morning. Almost went this evening actually. I mean, I went. There is a field, a football or soccer field, like 10 minutes from where I live. Not even 10 minutes, like 5 minutes. And I went, but I had a headache, so I started. I did one round, and I thought, okay, the headache is going to, you know, go away, but it didn't. And I stopped, and I got back, and I ate, and here I am trying to figure this out. So for the moment, I would say that for today, my challenge has been successful. What could I try? What could I try? What could I try? I have that. Oh yes, this is what I wanted to try. Which is, I mean, to me, will not really change anything, but I don't know. And if I don't even use it, I don't see the point. Because, I mean, if you look, where is it? So I have, yeah, this is my controller. And I know I did it for this one. Which, I didn't have to do that. So weird. I just post something and the accept was there. Okay, I put, it was an item, it was remote. That's true. But that shouldn't, I mean, whether it's using Ajax or normal, sort of non-Ajax request, it should pretty much stay the same. Because I will still send the ID of the, of the request to accept. And yeah, I really don't know, man. I really don't know. And if you look at the route for this particular, I have the create and I have, wait a sec, okay. So I have the create and I have the destroy. And I just put a bunch of, members. But that's it. Like, why is it so complicated? So actually, don't really need that over here. Should I maybe? Oh my god! Because I'm going to submit is going to redirect to something, and I could do it in, you know, it's weird. I shouldn't have to. There's something wrong here, and I can't figure it out. I actually cannot figure out what is wrong. It's actually create. It's actually post. You have your profile of a relationship. You have the idea of the offer. That's so weird. That is so weird. If you look at yeah, you just post that and it works. I mean, it should work, but looks like it doesn't. Oh my goodness! And it's so frustrating because you don't feel like you're moving forward. But that's the thing with programming, right? I'm wondering. Hey, if I try to, okay, so let's try something here. Just one try, because I shouldn't even try to. It's not because of a context. It's not. So okay, let's actually get rid of all of that, and let's put session, which is absolute, which is empty as well. So if I'm trying to reach this method, it should, right? Not even writing you know, any code specifically for testing whatever. Damn. And I'm on the right spec. Spec RB. I'm tired of this. Tired of this. I'm tired of this. This is pretty much the same, so I can actually get rid of it. Um, Damn. So annoying. Should I maybe even if I do that, it won't. I mean, can try, but it doesn't make sense to me to because it's not even an API, so just a normal, you know, type of website. There is no like stuff related to, Ajax Meta or something. But let's try. And I absolutely don't know where this is coming from. Like, I absolutely have no clue. Guys, I don't know when I started, hopefully, and what, and it's going to the end. So, like, I mean, it's so weird, like so weird. But I'm the one who is weird. I mean, the computer knows it. My computer knows it that I'm the one. He's probably telling to himself, why is this guy is trying to do that way? Everything is working, and shit, 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 shit. How do I? Okay, let's look at. I have too much tab open here. Too much tab open. It's not post. It's like post raise on spec. I don't understand, but let's try. Let's see what I'm going to find out. Actually making me crazy right now. It's like I'm the craziest I ever been. But it's part of the journey of a programmer, so there was a request thing, there was index. Post create. Is it maybe of that? I think, yeah, it's already. How does it? I mean, I don't think it will change anything, but does it make a difference between running those tests? I mean, I'm not sure, but it shouldn't be even one. I don't think it will one. I think this is the way I used to do it. I mean, the first one is the way I used to do it, if I remember well. Another thing, like, yeah, you don't really have to type all the stuff. Why don't you go into my create method? This is what I want to know. Like, if I do the delete one, what is going to happen? Are you saying a bad word to me, or are you crashing, or what do I miss here? Tell me, because I'm lost, man. Okay, so there is no delete action. No, it's actually not delete, but is I think destroy. And I think the destroy one is, yeah, it's a post. Where is it? 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 Is it? Yeah. Nope. Nope. Yeah, if you look at, oh, there was no, okay. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I haven't done it. If you look at the previous project, maybe I see it. Where is API? No, if you go to, let's go there. I think there was some stuff in here. Oh, okay. Spec controllers. Go there. You see, before you used to write this like that. There is no power and stuff. And if you look at, oh, it's actually, that's why I did that. Alright, so it's actually delete. So and then you're gonna want an ID, which I'm gonna give you an ID. Don't worry. I'm going to give you one. You may not like it, but this is the one you're gonna have. So let's see. And I want to try something, and there is probably, I mean, it shouldn't work, but come on. And you will tell me that there is no method matching this destroy thing, maybe? And I'll be happy to answer that to you, but sorry guys, but I'm not sure I'm gonna stop here. Okay. So destroy, blah blah blah, no action. Because if you look at the destroy, should be that with an ID, right? So, oh, yeah. Sorry about that. This is something I used to, yeah. And destroy is actually an ID, destroy, blah blah blah, delete, blah blah, okay. So what are you going to tell me now? If I could only figure it out tonight so that tomorrow I can continue to work and move forward. Action could not be found. So abstract controller, blah blah blah. Okay, you go there, and then all right, and that's completely normal because the action is not actually defined here. So if I do, I mean, def destroy, oops, and I do something puts, and I do oops. Will you actually work? Will you say oops to me? Please. And if so, why why is the other one will not work? I mean, don't work. That's so weird, man. It's like going through the method, but it doesn't print anything. And this is, I mean, I don't know. Um, because if you're testing it, it should be, going into that and there's, I think there's something wrong, which I can figure out. I can figure out now, but there is obviously something wrong with that. What did I? Active, blah blah blah. Strip. I honestly, and I did so much stuff since last time, I think. So I'm kind of lost about what I did, what I didn't. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. God damn. Let me try something here. Because it's so weird. It's so weird. I mean, it will not print anything, I think. But I did it actually. It's like it doesn't really go into that method. Just doesn't get into it. And there is something wrong. And what is wrong? I can't figure it out. I can't figure it out. Come on, come on, come on. Doesn't go into anything like profile, offer, relationship, controller, posts, accept, new offer, spec, blah blah blah, profile, blah blah blah. I don't know what I'm scared of. I'm not running. I mean, it's it's really weird. I'm scared that I'm not running the right file, but it looks like it is the right one. I'm on the spec, I'm on the controller, and this is a controller that I wanna play with. Relationships and relationships controller. Am I running the right? I mean, I'm into. Okay, so. Alright, so. I'm on the right project. I mean, I think I'm on the right one. We told. I haven't changed since last time anyway. There's something wrong with that. Definitely something wrong with that. And I can't figure it out. I just can't. Like, I don't know. Rather than use, not change, not implement. What? My goodness, my goodness. It's probably 1 hour by now, but I don't know. User creates. Alright. Recommended. Okay, fine. And here. Okay. Create params. Ajax. Params by this session. Ash with HTTP parameter may be nil. Which so weird. So weird. And who is that guy? Rails coach and developer. Alright, Elliot. What are you doing, Elliot? Developer approach and principles and my kind of go raise engagement technical. Okay. Alright. My open source intro. Okay. Project I regularly write always on final payment. Man. Okay. My battery is actually low. Um, I just can't understand what is going on, what is actually happening, and that's really a pity because I would like to move forward with that. But like I said, it's part of the journey, and I'm still learning, and I will discover something pretty soon. I don't know when, and I will be sorry, blown. Like my mind will be blown. Like I would be like, oh man, this was the error. That was so obvious. I didn't see it. Like pretty much every time. But this time is really, really, but really. I mean, I I don't see it. I don't see it. Honestly, I don't see it. And it's been, I don't know, since probably, so I worked on that probably weeks ago. Then I sort of stopped, and I got back on it this weekend, actually on only on Sunday, not Saturday. And I really don't know, man. Honestly, I really don't know. And I have to upload the videos. Alright guys, I'm going to stop here. Talk to you soon. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching, and see you. Bye bye. Bye. Take care. Bye.